Okay, in this video I just want to see how I can create this particular flyer using AI. Okay, I think most of the time I've been using the CorelDRAW application or the Adobe Photoshop to create some designs, but since AI is now very common, I've just decided to switch to AI. So I would like to recreate this design, but I don't want to use the normal graphics applications I use. So the first thing I want to do now, I want ChatGPT or any AI tool to help me convert this flyer to an AI prompt that I can use to regenerate the flyer. Okay, so I will just want to simply upload it to ChatGPT. I think I'm going to make use of Copilot. Okay, let me make use of Copilot. So I want to upload this to Copilot. Then I will ask Copilot to generate an AI prompt that I can use to redesign the flyer. Okay, so let me download it. Download image, and let me head to my. Has it been downloaded? Has it been downloaded? I've not seen any signal. Okay, good, fine. Download. So it's downloading the file. I've downloaded it. The next thing I'm going to do now is head over to my Copilot. So this is my Copilot here. Let me open it. So it's still opening. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to tap this plus button beside the smart there. I'll tap on it and I'll click on photos. Okay, I'll tap on photos. So I'll wait for my photo gallery to open, and I'm going to tap these photos here and click add. Okay, so once I'm done that, okay, I'll just simply click this arrow to continue. So I'll simply say please kindly generate a flyer design prompt I can use to regenerate the flyer in an image generator like Midjourney. Okay, so this is what I'm going to type. The image has been uploaded, so I'll simply tap this arrow icon pointing up. So let me see what it's going to generate. Okay, it has generated it, so here it is. So what I just need to do, let me copy it, and let me take it over to Gemini. Okay, let me go to Gemini. Can I generate image with Gemini? Let me go to Gemini. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I'll ask Gemini to design the flyer. So generate a flyer design based on the following prompts. Okay, so let me paste the prompts. I click on this is the prompt I got from Copilot. So I've tapped send. Let's see what Gemini is going to generate for us. So it's creating the image. So at times when you feel that you like a design you see on the internet and you want to use AI to recreate it, simply feed the design into any AI tool and generate a prompt from it. So generate a prompt for it. So it's still generating. Almost done. So you can see now, although it's not as exact as that one, but at least it gave us a design that we can now edit based on the way we want it to appear. Okay, and since Gemini generated this, let me try and use ChatGPT. Let me see what's going to give me. I'm heading over to my chat GPT. Let me just type this in: generate a flyer design based on the prompts below. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So it's still generating the image, still generating it. Let's see whether it's going to give us a much better design, or it's acting based on the prompts. Mind you, you can edit the prompts that you feed it based on what you want, but I just want to see a sample of how it's going to work before I decide to do any sort of editing on the AI prompts. I'm just trying to test out how I can generate AI prompts from an existing flyer design. So still waiting for ChatGPT to finish generating it. You can see what ChatGPT gave us now. You can see very clean. In fact, ChatGPT even did a better job. Very, very clean and colorful. So mind you, so at times, depending on the AI tool you are using, you can go ahead and design your flyer. You can see how neat it is. Okay, so let me save it. So this is how you can convert a flyer into an AI prompt that you can use to create you can use to recreate the design in another AI tool. Okay, so you can give it a try and let's see how it goes. Okay, thank you.